Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Practice any numericals? We done how many numericals, madam? Yesterday we done first exercise. Am I right? We have to start the volumes. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm giving 2-3 minutes time. Please revise all the formulas from the volumes. Volume of the cylinder, volume of the cone, volume of the cube, cuboid, and sphere. 5 objects. Correct? Am I right? Just recall and write it in one page. All the 5 formulas. Based on this only, we are going to proceed now. Students, will you able to hear what I am asking you?
Yes, sir.
Just list out the formulas and use these formulas when I am solving the questions. Automatically, you can recollect after some practice. You can able to recollect. Volume of 5 standard objects: cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. Please make a note. We'll take some water and I'll be back. Yes. What is the volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid. How much? Students. LBH. Length into width into height. LBH. Volume of cube.
Side cube, sir.
A cube, where A is the side of the cube, or X cube. Volume of the cylinder. How much?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h, where r is the radius of the cylinder, h is the height of the cylinder. Volume of the cone. 1/3 pi r square h, where r is the radius of the cone, h is the height of the cone. Volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube. Will you agree, everyone? Any doubts or any changes? Students, please respond.
Correct, sir.
Correct. Yeah, we'll start straight away numericals with this help, with this data. We done first exercise completely. We done now. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We are starting with the second exercise. Only understanding the question is important here also, and visualize the diagram based on your understanding. A solid is in the shape of a cone. A solid is in the shape of a cone, standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter and height of the cone is equal to its radius. So first of all, we have to depict a figure which is representing this data. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal. So there is a cone and it is standing over a sphere, hemisphere. Hope you can able to see the screen properly. And it is standing over a hemisphere, and where the radius of the cone and radius of the sphere is equal to, so radius of cone and sphere is equal to 1 centimeter, and the volume of the solid in terms of pi. No need to solve for fully. And he is saying height of the cone is equal to 1 centimeter because it is equal to its radius. So this is also 1 centimeter, this is also 1 centimeter, and this height is also 1 centimeter. So he is asking volume of solid in terms of pi. That means no need to substitute the pi value. In terms of pi is equal to volume of cone, because it is a combination of two solids. So volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Will you agree? Yes or no? Students, right or wrong? Amrita, Arman. Which is equal to how much? Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h plus volume of the hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. That I didn't mention in the first page. So half of the volume of total sphere. So 1/3 is asking, the answer should be in terms of pi. 1 square into 1 plus 2/3 pi 1 cube. This will be pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3. The answer is 3 pi by 3. 3 cancel. Pi centimeter cube is the answer, because volume is in terms of cubic centimeter or cubic units. The answer is pi centimeter cube. Hope you are clear.
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
How we can, what kind of shape you will get from the second question? What kind of shape you will get from the second question? Rachel, an engineering student who asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using aluminum, thin aluminum sheet. So they want to design this is a cylinder, and they are saying they have to attach two cones like this. They have to attach two cones like this. And what is the data given related to cones? The model, the diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. Suppose if I am taking this is the axis of the cone and aligning with the cylinder axis, the diameter is 3 centimeter. That is the diameter of the cone as well as cylinder of the cone. So the diameter of, it's a diameter. This whole length. Dia of cone and cylinder is equal to 3 centimeter, and radius will be half of the diameter. So radius will be equal to 1.5 centimeter. And the total length of the total length is equal to 12 centimeter. And they want to made up of a aluminum sheet, and each cone is a height of 2 centimeter. So automatically the height of each cone is 2 centimeter, and height of cylinder is total height minus height of the two cones, that is 12 minus 4, 8 centimeter. Now we are having all the data. Total volume of air contained in the model is equal to 1/3 pi r square h top cone plus pi r square h cylinder volume plus the bottom cone 1/3 pi r square h. In this, pi r square h is common. No, pi r square h is also not common. This is height of the cone. In this height is height of the cylinder. This is height of the cone. 1/3 pi r square h 2 times repeated, where h is height of cone plus pi r square h cylinder. So now I can substitute the values 2/3 into pi. I am keeping as pi. R square is where the radius is 1.5, or 3/2 we can substitute if you want, and height of the cone is 2 centimeter plus pi. R is 1.5 whole square and height of the cone is 8 centimeter. Now in this, pi r square can be taken as common. Pi r square is pi 1.5 whole square taken as common. I will get 2/3 into 2 plus 8. This will be pi into 1.5 into 1.5, 4/3 plus 8. So this will be pi into 1.5 into 1.5 into 4 plus 24/3. This will be 22/7 into 1.5 into 1.5 into 28/3, 7 4 times, 3 0.5 times. Calculate and let me know what is the final answer. This will be 11 into, this 2 product is 11. 1.5 into 4 is 6. So the answer is 66 centimeter cube of volume is contained in the model. Hope you are clear how I done the calculation in a easy manner. Is it clear? Students, please respond yes or no or something. Guys, please. Is it clear? Aditi, Harita, Vaishnavi, Sanyu, Arman.
Clear.
Guys? Yeah. If you said okay, I will go to the next question.
Clear, sir.
I can go to the next one.
Yes, sir.
We'll discuss third and fourth question later. Coming back from simple questions, we'll start. Yeah, we'll go to the sixth question. Let's see how we can discuss the sixth question. Please try by your own. 4 and 5 I will explain. Please. A solid iron core consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter is 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder 60 centimeter and radius is 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the core. I will give the clue for this. First of all, the shape of this cylinder is how it looks. A solid iron core. Height is 220 centimeter. First iron core is like this. This height is in the form of a cylinder. Height is 220 centimeter. This height is 220 centimeter. And radius, diameter is 24 centimeter. And on the top of this, another cylinder. How it looks? It is like this. The diameter of this cylinder is 8 centimeter. And the height of the cylinder is 60 centimeter. He is asking what is its mass. Before finding the mass, if I want to calculate the mass, I want to use a little bit physics here. First, find out the volume of the total object. Volume of the solid iron core is equal to volume of the, this is first cylinder, this is second cylinder if I am naming, volume of first cylinder from the diagram plus volume of second cylinder from the diagram. Please make a note. Calculate and let me know what is the volume of the total solid iron core. Please calculate the volume and let me know what is the volume you are getting. Anyone got the answer? Suppose if this radius I am taking as r, this radius is h, this radius is small r, this radius is small h. Pi r square h plus pi small r square h. If I am taking pi into r square is 24 square into 220 plus pi into here r square is 8 square into 60. If I am taking pi common, this is 24 square into 220 plus 8 square into 60. This is the total volume, and let me know how many pi you are getting. How many centimeter cube you are getting? Let me know approximately. What is the value you are getting? Please take some time and let me know what is the final value. Final value. .14 into 24 into 24. .576 into 220 plus 64 into 60. We are taking 10 common. 31.4 into 576 into 22 plus 64 into 6. I need a single value. What is our final value you are getting? So just multiplication, no option for here. Please come to the Aditi, please complete the calculation. Let me know what is the volume you are getting. How many centimeter cube you are getting. Please give the answer. We'll wait for you to do. Anyone got the answer? Students, respond. Aditi, Harita, Vaishnavi.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, please. Anyone? Anyone got the answer?
Sir, I got as 1,26,720, sir.
1,26,720.
720.
Let's see. I'm going to use a calculator. Only one person was replied. 576 into. Can you repeat the calculation for me, madam? Into 22, correct? Plus.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How much? Should be added with how much? 64 into
6, sir.
6. (64 into 6), 384. So 12,672 into 384. 12,672 into.
Sir, we need to add, no, sir.
Yeah, we need to add 12,672 into, what is the value we got? 64 into. How I can 64 into 6, 384. So 384 plus
12,672, sir.
2 is equals.
13,056.
So the total volume is 13,000.
56.
No.
Sorry, 13,050.
No. Into multiplied. We have
Into
to do
31.4, sir.
13,056 into 31.4. I got 4,09,958, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I did some calculation mistakes, sir.
Yeah. So here 4 lakhs. How much you got? 4 lakhs. 9,958.
Yes, sir.
0.4 centimeter cube. He is saying 1 centimeter cube is approximately 8 grams. Mass of 1 centimeter cube is 8 grams. So, what is the mass of this much? Mass of 4,09,958.4 centimeter cube volume is equal for 1 centimeter cube is 8 grams. So, volume into mass of the each centimeter cube. So, if I am multiplying with this 4,09,000 into 8. So 32 lakhs 79,677. 32 lakhs 79,677.2 grams, which is equal to 3,279.67 kg approximately. This is how. It's a little bit calculation oriented question. Nothing is there in this question actually. Check anywhere we done mistake and check the answers also, please. Please verify the answer. Student, please verify the answer. Is it correct? Shall I move to the next one? Students, please respond. Shall I move to the next one? Guys, yes or no?
Sir.
Yeah. So, important thing is formulas and speed of the calculation. Don't say I am weak and all. If you practice, you will get the speed. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter and standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter. So it's like this, like our first question. There is an hemisphere. The radius of the hemisphere is 60 centimeter. The radius of the hemisphere is 60 centimeter and radius of the cone is also 60 centimeter. And height of the cone is 120 centimeter. So height of the cone is equal to 120 centimeter. Radius of the cone is equal to 20 centimeter, which is equal to radius of the hemisphere. Is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom, and he placed in a cylinder like this. Find the volume of the water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and the height is 180 centimeter. This height is 180 centimeter means the cylinder is like this, more height than, because the height is no, exactly it is vertex is touching the brim level, because the height of the cone is 120 the radius of the cylinder is 60, it will look like this. If this is my cylinder, this is how the situation. So rest of the wherever the gap is there the water is remaining, and rest of the water is came out of the cylindrical vessel because of the cone shaped part. So volume of the water left in the container will be equal to content in the cylinder. That is only is asking volume of the water left in the cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone minus volume of hemisphere. Here height of the cone is different, cylinder height is different, and radius of the cone is same with respect to cylinder radius and sphere radius. So pi r square height of the cylinder minus 1/3 pi r square height of the cone minus 2/3 pi r cube. I am substituting pi, the radius is 60. 60 square, height of the cylinder is 180 minus 1/3 pi 60 square, height of the cone is 60. No, height of the cone is 120 minus 2/3 pi 60 cube. So to make the calculation a little bit easy, pi 60 square I am taking common. So it will remain 180 minus 120/3 minus 2/3 into pi gone, 260 is gone, one more 60 will remain here. This is 340 times 320 times. So this is 3600 pi 180 minus 40 minus 40. This will be 3600 pi into 100. So 3,60,000, no, 3600, 3,60,000 pi centimeter cube of the water is left in the container. Is it clear, students? If I want to very accurate answer, multiply with 3.14, you will get the final answer in terms of centimeter cube, because he didn't mention in the liters and or something. Yes, he is asking what is the volume of the water left in the cylinder. If he is asking in liter, 1 centimeter cube, 1000 centimeter cube will be equal to 1 liter. So divide with 1000 will use that many of liter. In this case, 360 pi liters are the volume of the water left in the cylinder in terms of liters. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know, students. Students, please. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So one more last question. Today I will wind up a little bit early. Try this question by your own. The last question for today. The rest of the questions what I left, it is a little bit hard kind of questions. I will explain in next class, because it will be useful to understand the conversion of volumes. It will require a little bit percentages and all. We will discuss in next class. Yeah, please try to solve this question. Spherical glass vessel has a cylinder neck. That means the spherical glass is like your chemistry lab apparatus. It is cylindrical neck means it is look like this. I will show you the diagram. Cylindrical neck means it is like this. A sphere has the neck means it's like this. So this is you can pour like this. So I don't want to confuse you. This is kind of the shape. A cylindrical neck. This height of this cylindrical neck is 8 centimeter and radius is diameter is 2 centimeter. And the diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. So by measuring the amount of water it holds, the child find out the volume of the water is 345 centimeter cube. Check whether it is correct or not. So volume of the water contained it. Water can hold is equal to volume of cylindrical part plus volume of sphere part. So by r square, that is 1 square, h is 8, pi r square h plus 4 by 3 by r cube. R is 8.5 by 2 whole cube. So this will be 8 pi plus 4 by 3 into 8.5 cube by 8. Solve this question and check whether you are getting the same answer by taking pi 8.5 into this is pi will be there. Sorry. You can take pi common and solve and multiply the final answer with 3.4. Check whether you are getting same answer or not. She got 345 and check whether her answer is right or wrong with these inputs. Is it? Are you clear with my question, students? First of all, is it clear what is the question is asking? They gave one volume. They are asking us to check whether it is correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So find out the volume. How much you are getting? For 2 times this will come as 8 plus 8.5 cube divided by 6. I'm using calculator. 8.5 cube is divided by 6 plus 8 to 3.14. 346.512. 346.512. Roughly it is 346.5 centimeter cube. Please cross verify with this answer. Is it correct?
Sir, got the same answer, sir.
Yeah, then what is the final conclusion answer? Is the answer is correct or wrong? Students, respond. I gave the answer. Somebody told it is correct. What is the conclusion answer you are going to write? Is her answer is right or wrong? Is the
Sir.
student? Yes.
Sir, it is wrong, sir.
It's wrong because some variation is there. It's not approximate. After decimal, you are getting here also 345 point something. Then I can say at least right. After rounding off, it should be 345. Then I can say it is wrong. But here I can say, sir, wrong answer. Yeah. We'll meet in next class with the rest of the questions. Anyone having any doubts? I can wind up the session. Students?
No.
Yeah, we'll meet in next class. Next class we will see. We'll continue the another application, conversion of volumes. One solid is converted into another shape. What kind of questions we may face? Yes, we'll meet in next class. Bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.